we're celebrating Fraser's 28th birthday, a little bit belated, but it's a nice weekend. So we're gonna go for a walk at Callander when we're gonna go see the Bracklin Falls. It's a really nice walk. It's a very simple walk and it's in nature. We're currently driving through like a really nice neighborhood around Stirling. It's beautiful. All the townhouses are huge and I guess they're like old money. Probably you can only inherit these houses because they're huge. They're like, would you call them mansions? No, they're like villas.
Yeah, just big houses.
Big houses. But it's really nice. I'll show you. You can see the castle from here.
I should know I've been riding all of your mama's advice. If you tell me how you like it, we can go far. It's so far, so good, y'all. When I'm in the mood for things, she makes one out of thing that. And we take a shower afterward that I can't get out of. How can I get out of it all?
We're on our way to the waterfall and it's a beautiful day. Look at all the trees. Nature.
And we take a shower afterward that I can't get out of. How can I get out of it all? All the people in the house, yeah, you gotta get out. The pretty ladies don't count. Y'all know who to get out, who to get out. When I'm in the mood for a babe, when I'm in the mood for a babe, oh, she makes one out. Yeah, she makes one out. She takes one out of me.
We're just gonna go and take a walk around Stirling city centre now. Look for some snacks at a grocery shop probably. It's like deserted. There's like no one here. Yeah. Which is great because social distancing.
If you tell me how you like it, we can go far. So far, so good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It tastes like milk. It tastes like sauce. Yeah, oh, and the ocean smells like going on. Shit, I just can't stop.
We have reached the Alpaca Trekking Centre. We're gonna be walking with alpacas today. It's windy out. I know, the road's all weird. This was my birthday present to Fraser. We're gonna be walking with alpacas. Can you see it's an emu!
Talk. But meanwhile, you knew it all along. You knew it all. You knew it all. Well. You must not know about me. You must not know about me. I'm in the ward with the baby. You must not know about me. You must not know about me. I taste like whiskey. I taste like ashes of black coffee. I was not.
Oh my god. It's so cute and fluffy. You ruined my groove. So here are the alpacas, and then if you look up, you can actually see barn owls just chilling in the attic. That's like hella creepy. I don't even know if they're part of like the farm or they're wild owls. Who knows? Scary.
It's so to make their noise, so they won't like
Cusco, net. After that fight,
whiskey. I taste like ashes of black coffee. I was not. Then she caught me, now she missed me. Yada, yada, yada. I don't want to bore you. I want to bore into your powerful love like God in Corinthians. Yeah. Baby in the manger, the savior, then I don't know what to call. cradle it all. The door, you look so foreign, he's so familiar. I was drawn in by the light. Night's dark and warm and still and wet. And home is in our roaming, hemoglobin, and it's only beholding.
Okay, but this rabbit is like, do you see the size of it? It's like, it's as big as my head. It's so huge. I'm walking in alpaca.
Like God in Corinthians, yeah. Babe in the manger, the savior, then I don't know what to call the cradle at all. The door, you look so foreign, he's so familiar. I was drawn in by the light. Night's dark and warm and still and wet. And home is in our roaming, hemoglobin, and it's only beholding in them fold to the nose hole. But tucking your elbows, yeah, we're held in the ozone. Makes what out of thin air. You take a shower afterward, and I can't get out of it. I get out of it. People in the house, gotta get out. The pretty ladies on down. Y'all know who to get out, who to get out.
So we were just at the alpaca farm in, it's called Mossfield Farm, I think, and it's an Alpaca Trekking Centre. And I got that experience for Fraser's 28th birthday. It was so fun. Like, they've got some attitude, man, the animals. They're like, you know that cartoon, Emperor's New Groove, where Cusco becomes a llama? Yeah. Basically, it's like a bunch of Cuscos. Like, everyone just has attitude. And me and Fraser had to walk the two oldest in the pack, so they're like the alphas. On the way back to the farm, Fraser's alpaca, his name is Hugo, he wanted to like sprint back, and the caretaker was stopping him from running. And he got so angry, he started spitting at her. He was like, like, oh my god, it's literally like an old man throwing a temper tantrum. It was so funny. And he was like wiping his snot all over her. It was so naughty. Would highly recommend if you're interested in walking alpacas. It's very unconventional, but it's really fun. And you get to walk in a reserve. What's it called? What was the reserve called? Never mind. There was a reserve like right next to the farm, and you get to walk on like wild grass and stuff. Just a note, bring insect repellent because there are midges. They were biting on my exposed ankles, and you can get itchy. So other than that, that was great. The view was great. You could see the mountains with snow capped. It was like an hour's walk, so you're just warm and you're just enjoying the time with the sassy alpacas. Okay, that's it. Bye.